Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Let's start our English task. Today we will revise active verb and passive voice. We will start present indefinite tense. As we know that we can make the sentence in present indefinite as subject, verb, first form of verb and object. Okay, subject plus first form of verb and object. Active and passive voice actually is the active voice means the sentence in which subject is doing some action, okay, and in passive voice the action is takes place on the subject, okay, then it is called the passive voice. Okay, in active voice a subject is doing any work or any task, and in passive voice a task is being acted upon a subject. Okay, so in active voice we have known that the rule to make the sentence of present indefinite as subject plus first form of verb plus object, and in negative sentence we just write subject plus do or does not plus first form and object, and in interrogative sentence we write do or does in the starting of the sentence. Okay, but now in the passive voice, what is the rule to make the sentence in the passive voice? In passive voice, we change the subject into object and the object into subject. The main thing is subject will be changed as object, okay, and object will be changed as subject. Third form of verb. Third form of verb is used in every type of sentence. Okay, each type of sentence. Third form of verb, use of by, and any helping verb. Helping verb is different in each type of tense. Okay, so as we have started present indefinite sentence, so in present indefinite sentence the helping verb is are or am. Okay, these helping verbs are used in her present passive voice of present indefinite sentence. Okay, so the rule to make method or the way or the rule to make the sentence in passive voice is that firstly we will write the object, then helping verb, then third form of verb, then by, and at the last we will write subject. Okay, in negative we'll write object, helping verb plus not plus third form by and subject, and in interrogative sentence it is simple affirmative sentence, it is negative sentence, and it is interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we will write helping verb in the start, then object, then third form of verb, and at the last. And it is if it is a double interrogative sentence means if there is a who, why, where, like the five W's used in any sentence, like who is, what is, then we will write what, and then helping verb, and then all the remaining part of the interrogative sentence. Okay, and if but in the condition if it is start is as who, then the passive voice of this sentence is by whom is means helping verb and third form and subject. Okay, and keep it in your mind that if remember or note, if there is no object in the active voice, then we cannot change it into passive voice. Okay, means that the object is must to be have in the sentence. Okay, for example, if I have a sentence, he reads a book. He reads a book. In this sentence, this is called the object, this is the verb, and this is the subject. Passive voice of the sentence is, we will write the object at the first. A book. A book is a singular word, so we will write the helping verb is with it. Okay, singular is. A book is. The third form of verb read is read. A book is read by he. We will change the subject into objective case. Okay, as we know that the pronoun have three kinds of three cases. Okay, subjective case, possessive case, and objective case. Like I is the subjective case, and if you are showing any possession on it, then you will use my. Okay, and in objective case you will write me. Okay, like if something is working on you, then you will write me, and if you are doing something, then you will write I, and if you are showing your possession on it anything, then you will write my. Similarly, he, his, him, and you will change the subject of the passive or active voice, and then you, when you make the sentence in passive voice, then you will write the subject in the objective case. Okay, like objective case, she, her, her, they, their, them. Okay, we, us, us, and some others, if you know, you, yours, yours. Okay, and if there is any, I have, may I have forgot any kind, any of the subject, then if you if and we need it in the sentence, we will change it according to the sentence. Okay, now look at the example. His friends like him. Him, his. Okay, or he. As we have changed, it is this object, and in the object you will change it in the subjective subject, and in the subject it is used as the subjective case. Is he is a singular, so you will write is with it, liked by his friends. Okay, similarly, if the sentence, who writes the letter, then in the passive voice you will write, as I've given told you, if the sentences start with who, then you will use by whom. By whom is the letter written. Letter is the subject, this is the verb, and there is no object, then it is the sorry, someone, it is a question interrogative sentence, so it is object, so you will lose by whom is the letter written. Okay, so students, you will learn these concepts of present indefinite and how to change the sentence in the passive voice. Okay, this is your home task. I hope you will learn it by heart, and after read the and learn these concepts, you will change, you can change the sentence by your own. Okay, in your home task, you will change the sentence from exercise number 1, as it was being sent in the first 6 weeks sentence syllabus. So you will use the sentence that are in present indefinite case, Okay, हम तेज दौड़ते हैं, it is the present indefinite case. You will translate it in the active voice and then change into the passive voice, and you can also change the into the passive voice by the sentence. हम is the subject, so you will write it as object. Okay, हम तेज दौड़ते हैं, we run fastly, and um, sorry, there is no object, so you will not write in the passive voice, so you will change the sentence according to the exercise number 1. Okay, this is your task, so take care. Allah Hafiz.